Do you know what is called disunity? In Nigeria, when you say, I want to secede, that is, I want to go out of Nigeria, I don't want to belong to Nigeria again. They said that the unity of Nigeria is paramount. That means that there is nothing anybody can say that will tamper with the unity of Nigeria, beyond being together with Hausa, Yoruba, and the Igbos. That is why Nnamdi Kanu was sentenced. But let me tell you, you will see it from a new direction. Omotosho used wickedness to silence Nnamdi Kanu. You think that he have silenced him? No way, you have not. Nnamdi Kanu is emerging victoriously. Let me tell you, if you people like, take him to Manfe. Even Sokoto is a heaven. He will still see what is going. Where he cannot appeal for, you will see what will happen. Well, let me tell you, Tinubu, any Yoruba person that has sense will understand that Tinubu have beaten a drum of disunity. Imagine Tinubu and his government is going to beg criminals that are killing people, but carried a man who had no rifle, who is not killing anybody, and sentence him for life, and is still watching. You don't know what that means. He have beaten a drum of hatred between the Igbos and the Yorubas. It started with Hausa left it for him. He did not jail him. Now he gave it to you. As then he don't, people, he reach their turn, they just jump out. You reach your own turn, you jump in. That is it. Let me tell you the truth. Since yesterday, we had 20th, we had that James Omotosho have sentenced Nnamdi Kanu. Let me tell you, I don't believe in hating people. Or let me tell you frankly speaking, Bible says you shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. I am not here to deceive anybody. If I tell you that my happiness, I know all Yorubas cannot be the same. If I tell you that I am happy with Yoruba people, I am a liar. They are not, these people are the ones suffering what their brother is doing. They are suffering. It is not good. It is not well with them. They are not eating jollof rice. They are still suffering. But let me tell you, as a human being, as an Igbo man, today, there are people that are doing some jobs. If you go to my channel, the other of my channel called Craft and Fashion Ambassador. Craft and Fashion Ambassador. You will see the video I have posted today where they are doing roof. How roof is done. You will also see where tiling is done. They are working for, these people are working for me. They are Yorubas that I gave my job to do for me. So this channel, Craft and Fashion Ambassador, go and Google it, you will see it. When I was recording that thing, when I finished recording that video, I was on top of the roof recording how they are nailing the wood. When I'm looking at them, I look at them and say, these are the people that jailed my brother. My heart broke. I looked at them. Oh, these people are eating from me, and their brother was eager enough to jail my own brother, but these people are eating from me. That is how hatred comes. Let me tell you, 70% of my money goes to Yoruba people. Watch. Let me show you this thing. I'm telling you gospel speaking. Let me show you. Do you see what is at my back here? You see it. This is machine. they are using to sow. Okay, look here. This one is machine. Okay, look back. This one is machine. And watch. This one. This one here is machine. Eh? Let me come. I just want to show you this, that my 70% of my income is being given to Yoruba people. These machines, there are ones that are still in the carton. I have not opened them. I have branches where I am working. I'm doing these things you are seeing here. Each and every one of them is eating a good money from my hand. I pay them salary. They are working for me daily. Yoruba people. I love them so much, but let me tell you the truth. As it stands now, I'm looking at them like this. I know everybody misbehave, but now I start looking at their misbehavior, how they were treating me, and what they did to my brother, Nnamdi Kanu. I'm telling you, I'm not really happy. I am a Christian and I don't do evil things, but let me tell you, from what Tinubu, their brother, did, I am not even happy. That the way it is happening, I'm telling you, gospel speaking, it doesn't make me to hate Yoruba people, because I know good number of them that has sense. Even it is Yoruba people that came up to do campaign to release Nnamdi Kanu, and some of them were jailed. Even some of them are still in detention by now, which nobody knows. I don't hate them, but this thing is really giving me another side of it. That is why you see people that doesn't have the knowledge of God, you will see how they will start, fighting war, doing illicit things, killing each other secretly because of hate. Let me tell you, I saw one Yoruba lady shouting today, he's speaking in Yoruba language, that Tinubu has created hatred between Igbos and the Yorubas. And that is true. That auntie said the truth. Let me tell you the truth. Igbos are the most business people in everywhere in Nigeria. Igbos are the people leading in business. Go and check. And 70% of the people working for Igbos are Yoruba. For me now, in my own business, I have about, let me not lie, I have about 6 Yoruba people that are eating from me. 6. And my brother, my own brother, my immediate senior brother, he has about 20 or 30 Yoruba that is working for him. How is this done? This is Muslims and Christians. Because in our company, we don't say you are a Muslim, we don't say you are a Christian. We are one people before God. But I must tell you frankly, many Yoruba people will lose their job from Igbo shops and Igbo businesses. Go and market somewhere. Your brother have done evil. The way I will tolerate people that is around me is not the way others will tolerate people that is around them. The Yoruba that is around them, many of them will lose their job. Many of them, their hope is hanging on a balance now. They will not tell you why they said they will stop them work. They cannot tell you, I stop him work because of what? It's hatred. It is hatred. Go and tell Tinubu it is hatred. Your people are the people that will suffer it. You have created a problem between the Yorubas and the Igbos. You have made them to hate Yorubas. Igbos now, let me tell you, Igbos now are hating Yoruba. Forget anything. Let us forget everything that you may say. Igbos now, they are having a kind of something now that is not in any way to write home about. Because of one thing you have done to them. Remember, Nnamdi Kanu is not Biafra. But Biafrans believe in Nnamdi Kanu so much. Let us not beat the drum of hate. Tinubu is still in your hands. You are creating problem for your people. Release Nnamdi Kanu. Things are falling apart, and I am seeing you as Tinubu that this you one day US will just get you like this. I'm telling you. I'm telling you from the spiritual realm. One day they will just arrest you like this, and take you to where people will not see you again, because I am seeing it in the spiritual realm. You need to be very careful. They are telling you about the killing of Christians. You think it's a joke. And now, instead of you, Nnamdi Kanu, they used to set a small trap for you. You go and put leg in a big trap. Well, watch it. Just mark today. I am making this video today, 21st, which will come up tomorrow, 22nd. Watch from today. You will see what will happen. You are going to see what. If I am a prophet, you will see what will happen. Let's not talk too much. You will see what will happen. This drum of hate you have beat, you will dance it. For sure, you will dance it. And when you will not dance it in Nigeria, you will dance it outside. Somebody that has a bad name is still accumulating bad things in his house. What do you want? Allow Biafrans to go. One Hausa woman was saying, we want to go. What is keeping you? And that idiot you are seeing, that idiot that is called a girl, is talking from her vagina. You don't know what is holding Biafrans to go. Sign it. Let there be referendum today. You see that Biafra will leave and go to their homes and develop it. Biafrans are developers. Igbos are developers. Go and count Lagos Island, Ikeja. How many Hausa buildings that are there? And how many Igbo buildings that are there? Hausa is not an Igbo. Igbo is not a Yoruba. A Yoruba will hardly build a house in your home. As from the southeast, you hardly see a Yoruba that build a house. But come to the west, before you go temples, you will see 7 Igbo houses. Go and check. Who owns there? Igbo. Upstairs, Igbo. Downstairs, Igbo. That is why they are saying they have come here and they take everything that we have. Do they steal it from you? They paid you out of your gluttonousness. You gave them and they paid you. Now it becomes a crime that he have bought something from you. Did he steal it? Go to the north. Who is in Meduguri? Igbo people. Who is in Maitama, Abuja? Igbo people. Who is in Lagos Island? Igbo people. They are doing what you, as a Yoruba man, cannot do. They are doing what you, as an Hausa man, cannot do. Have you seen an Hausa man that, yes, there are some Hausa that can build, but what they build is just 2% out of 100, 2%. Their job, they don't develop a country. Their development is where they are pushing refuse, truck, shoe mending, cutting of nails. That is the biggest job of Hausa people, chasing cow that have caused a lot of insecurity in every place. That is their job. Is it not? Am I lying? It is their job. They sleep on the road. If you go to my shop now, where I am having a shop now, go there now, you will see. As I'm talking to you now in this midnight, go there now. They have used waterproof to cover the front or clothes to cover the front and sleep there. They don't rent a house. Have you seen any Igbo man that is doing business? These are Okada people. These are business people. These are the ones pushing truck that collect money. They make money. But they cannot rent a house. If they rent a house where you are living, you will regret to have Hausa people in it, because one person will come and rent the house. They will be like 20 living there, and they don't keep any place neat. Everybody know what I'm talking about. They are not neat. They don't bet. See them the way they are. They are smelling. Go and check very well. It's just few number of them that are neat. Have you gone to mosque before? Go to mosque. The day they normally wear good clothes is when they are going to mosque. Outside that, they don't wear good clothes. Go and check it. It's true. If you enter mosque, mosque will be smelling. It is true. Igbos are not like that. Yorubas are not like that. Somebody cannot come and rent a house in your place. It's only you carry refuse. You go to a place, you do eye like this, you throw it somewhere, you keep it there. You go away. I know you will not like it, but if you don't like it, go and hawk transformer. It is the truth.